Never.
Never.
Are you eating?
I'm not eating. I'm playing football.
It's okay. Let me join you.
Okay, you want to join me? Enjoy yourself.
You are very stingy. You are a stingy man.
Yeah, I'm a stingy man. Don't worry. I'm a very greedy man. A greedy man. Nonsense.
It's your greed that will kill you.
Hey, leave it.
Eat alone, dead.
Leave it.
Eat your food.
I will eat my food. Anyanya. Nonsense. All this man, do not allow somebody to eat in peace. Nobody. No. When I was looking for onions to prepare this thing, nobody answered. Look at this one is coming. How are you?
I'm supposed to be fair.
How are you?
I'm supposed to be fair. My brother, let me join you. You are enjoying.
You want to join me?
Of course.
You want to join
I
me?
want to join you.
As you can see, I only have one spoon.
You know I don't work without carrying spoon alone. I have mine here with me.
Hey, scoop it. No problem.
Jesus is Lord.
Please, you didn't tell me you don't know how to cook beans. Okay, you love water in beans also.
Exactly.
Very good. How to eat.
Jesus is Lord.
My guy. Enjoy.
Okay, very good. Are you done with it now?
I'm not done.
Okay. Very good. Are you done now? You are done. And bring it.
Hey, scoop it.
Let's enjoy.
You should enjoy this
Of
thing.
course.
Eat and enjoy yourself. Eat.
Mega! Eat. Come and carry your spoon.